Okay. So continuous random variable x has probability density function fx ikut yang diberikan tu, obtain the cumulative distribution function. Cumulative. Okay, cumulative means that okay the function be accumulate maknanya terkumpul. Okay, and then sketch the graph of f and find px1 and okay px in between 1 until 5. Okay, kelas dia bertukar slide tak? Kelas?
Tukar sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so class, for this case, please refer to the domain of each of this function. Okay, so we have from 0 until 2, and then from 2 until 9. Okay, so then the rest of this, okay, 0 otherwise means that beside this 0 until 2 and 2 until 9, the rest is the rest of this, the domain for the function of 0 and 0. So integral of 0 dx for sure is going to be equal to 0. So from 0 until 2, from 0 until 2, this is the domain of the function 1 over 16x. From 2 until 9, 2 until 9, and is a domain for the function of 1 over 8, and the rest equal to 0. So this is where x less than or equal to 0. This is where x in between 0 until 2. This is the domain for x from 2 until 9, and x greater than 9. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So look at the first one then. X less than 0. Okay, x less than 0. Okay, for x less than 0. Okay, for x less than 0, just now we have domain from 0 until 2. So for x less than 0 is fx from negative infinity until, okay, x is any value that lies in between negative infinity until 0. Okay, so dia mungkin di sini the problem lah pen dia, sorry, might be x here or here or here. The limit is x equal to 0. So from negative infinity until x, the function of ft dt. Okay, so bagi integral, okay, integral from negative infinity until x equal x approaching to 0. So we change the function with the variable of t here. Then we integrate the function of 0 because in this domain from negative infinity until 0, the function is 0. So integral of 0 dt equal to 0. And then when it comes to x in between 0 until 2, okay, here is where negative infinity until 0, 0 until 2. So first domain, the function is 0. Second domain from 0 until 2. So this 0, we put this as an f0. Okay, f0 is the integral of 0 dx from negative infinity until 0 then. So terkumpul dia untuk selang pertama for the first domain, the accumulate is equal to 0. Plus with 1 over 16x. Okay, just now we have this 1 over 16 multiplied with x. So then, because we integrate this from 0 until x, can be recalled from 0 until x approaching to 2. So we put 0 until x. 1 over 16, change the variable of x with t for a while. Tukarkan kepada t untuk sementara waktu. Okay, so 1 over 16 t respect to the t. So 1 over 16 integral of t give you t squared divided by 2. So then we get t squared divided by 32. Okay, from 0 until x. Okay, for this one here now, okay, 0 is 0. For this one, the first is x squared over 32 minus t equal to 0. 0 square over 32, which is equal to 0. So that we get x squared over 32. Okay, so this will, our discussion here is be recorded, so you don't have to worry about kalau tak sempat nak salin, you can snap the picture of this solution using your smartphone and then salin kemudian. Okay, or you may just watch the video after the we call the lecture. So from 2 until 9. Okay, just now we have the domain from negative infinity until 0, then 0 until 2, then now 2 until 9. Okay, from 2 until 9. So dia terkumpul, accumulate the first domain, the first function which is equal to 0, second domain which is 1 over 16 x squared, 16x, and then plus with another domain here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we get it here. So F2, for this F2, okay, okay, for this F2, because this function of 1 over 16x lies in between 0 until 2. So, kita rangkumkan sekali. The first one and the second one until F2. So, F2 means that is a 1 over 16 x squared over 2 from 0 until 2. Okay. So, 16 times 2 over 32. Substitute 2x with 2 here. So 2 square equal to 4 minus 0, 0 square over 32. Well, this is equal to 0. Then you get 2 square equal to 4, 4 over 32. And then 1 over 8 t square. Okay, the function here is 1 over 8. So when we integral 1 over 8, a constant respect to the t, it gives you 1 over t. So from 2 until x, which is the first one, substitute t with x, 1 over 8x minus, okay, and then substitute t with 2, 2 over 8. Okay, so the first part, okay, this part is all here, and this one is all here. Okay, so then 4 over 32 divided by 4, 4 over 32 divided by 4 equal to 1 over 8. There you go. And then plus 1 over 8 and 2 over 8 here. So 1 over 8 x minus 2. So simplify between these two, it gives you 1 over 8 multiplied with x minus 1. Okay. So the last one here, last one, fx equal to f9 until 0 dt. Okay, we have the domain from 0 until 2, 2 until 9. Okay, this is 1 over 8, okay, 1 over 16t, no, 1 over 16x. Here is 1 over 8. So now, accumulate F9 means that kita buat apa, accumulate from negative infinity until 0, until 2, until 9. So this function represented by, we call F9 represented by this, okay, yang sebelum ni. Okay, Fx, x from 2 until 9. So we got 1 over 8 multiplied with x minus 1. So we substitute x with 9 here. Then we get this F9. So 1 over 8, 9 minus 1 equal to 8 plus 0. Integral of 0 respect to the t automatically equal to 0. So then 8 multiplied with 1 equal to 8, divided by 8 equal to 1. Okay, so now, there you go. Okay, so this is the function of a cumulative distribution function yang terkumpul, capital letter of F. So now, we are going to sketch the function of this function and this function one by one according to the domain that we stated here from 0 until 2 and 2 until 9. So the first one, okay, if I sketch separately, y equal to x squared over 32, okay, x squared is a quadratic. Quadratic means that the graph is either smile or sad. So x squared is positive here. So when x equal to 0, when x equal to 0 is from 0 until 2, but x equal to 0, y equal to 0. 0 square 0 divided by 32, then y equal to 0 here. And then when x equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4, 4 over 32, then y is 1 over 8. So y over 8. So this is the graph of x squared over 32, the domain from x equal to 0 until x equal to 2. Okay, the function of 1 over 8 multiplied with x minus 1 from 2 until 9. This is x power of 1, linear. So when x equal to 2, okay, x equal to 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. X equal to 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 multiplied 1 over 8 is y equal to 1 over 8. Okay, when x equal to 2, y equal to 1 over 8. And when x equal to 9, so y equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Okay, when x equal to 9, 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 8 times 1 over 8 equal to 1. So here is where y equal to 1 and x equal to 9. So this is linear, garis lurus. Okay, so the second graph will be something like this. Okay, yang dilakarkan ni tak apalah, andaikan guna yang saya punya ya. And then when x greater than or equal to 9, y equal to 1. So its horizontal line of y equal to 1. Okay. So probability of x less than 1. Probability of x less than 1. So we have 0 until 2 and then 2 until 9. So we like to find probability of x greater than 1. 1 is here. Okay. So if you like to find probability of x greater than 1 from 1 to positive infinity. Okay. You may find this by integral of the function of 1, 1 to 2, 1 over 16x dx plus 2 until 9. 2 until 9 is 1 over 8 dx plus width from 9 to positive infinity. 9 to positive infinity, the function is 0 dx, where this is equal to 0. Okay, you may find this way. Okay, 1 plus 2. You will get the we call the value of this, but then 1 minus this is easier because we just need to look at this that we call the domain and the function of from 0 until 1 only, because from negative infinity until 0, 0 dx, this one for sure equal to 0. So kita cuma cari yang ini saja. Yang ini we need to find this one here and this one here. So jalan kerja dia agak panjang sedikit compared to this one minus this. Okay. Okay, class. Let's say if I use this integral from 1 until 2, 1 over 16x dx plus width from 2 until 9, 1 over 8 dx. So 1 over x squared over 32 from 1 until 2 plus width 1 over 8x from 2 until 9. Okay, kita check kalau guna use this domain and use this domain. Okay, class. The domain must we call use the function. Kita gunakan fungsi yang berada dalam domain tersebut. We use the function that lies in the domain. So from 1 until 2 is for the function of 1 over 16x. From 2 until 9 is a function of 1 over 8. So now substitute x with 2, 4 over 32 minus 1 over 32. Okay, minus, okay, plus, okay, sorry, plus. Okay, 1 over 8x. Betul ke fungsi saya takut silap? Okay, yes, 1 over 8. Okay, so then substitute x with 9, 9 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Okay, 4 minus 1 equal to 3 over 32. Okay, 32 and 32, the denominator sama, so 4 minus 1 equal to 3 plus 9 minus 2 equal to 7 over 8. Okay, so 3 over 32, 8 times 4. 8 times 4 equal to 32, and then 7 times 4, 28. Okay, so now class, 3 plus 28 equal to? Come on, anyone? Pardon? 31 over? Get it? Boleh kan? Okay, then For this one here, okay, you may use this using F5 minus F1. Okay, F5, okay, what is the function of cumulative just now? X squared over 32, 1 over 8, x minus 1. Okay, fx equal to, we have x squared over 32 for x between 0 until 2, and then 1 over 8 x minus 1 for x between 2 until 9. Betul ke ni? Cuba cek ni. Class, is this correct? Class, please respond. Is this correct? Hello? Class? Minta tolong respon seorang.
Yes, sir.
Betul lah? Okay. So now, from 0 until 2, and then 9 here, F5 is somewhere around here, which is 5. Okay, and F1 is somewhere around here, F1. So then, this function of F5, F5, okay, 5 lies in between the domain of 2 until 9, and the function is 1 over 8, x minus 1. So substitute x with 5 here. 1 over 8, 5 minus 1, minus, and then F1 here, F1 lies in between the domain of 0 until 2. And 0 until 2, the function related is x squared over 32. So then, 1 squared over 32. So we get 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 4 over 8 minus 1 over 32 equal to 15 over 32. Okay, class, if I refer to the earliest function, not cumulative, but then f, a small f, kalau saya refer kepada fungsi yang awal, bukan fungsi kumulatif, let's see, we will get the same answer or not. Okay. Okay, this is the function of 1 over 16x from 0 until 2 and 1 over 8 from 2 until 9. So, from 0 until 2, and we have 9 here. So, from 1 until 5. From 1 until 5. So, look at this. Bermakna we are dealing with two domain. From 1 until 2, then next is from 2 until 5. Okay, meaning we are going to use, okay, the function that lies in this domain, which is 1 over 16x, and then 1 over 8 on the second domain. Okay, sebab dia merentasi domain x. So the first one here, integral from 1 until 2, 1 over 16x dx, plus width from 2 until 5. And the function is 1 over 8 dx. So integrate this, it will give you x squared over 32 plus width 1 over 8x from 2 until 5. Okay, so substitute x with 2. 2 squared equal to 4. 4 over 32 minus 1 squared, 1 over 32 plus with substitute x with 5. 5 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Okay, 4 minus 1 equal to 3 over 32. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay, 3 over 8. Change this denominator of 32, so 8 times 4. 8 times 4 equal to 32, and 3 times 4 equal to 12. So then, 3 over 32 plus 12 over 32 equal to 3 plus 12 equal to
15.
15 over 32. Boleh? Okay. So, we call if we from 0 until 2, if we come up with f2 and the value is 1 over 8. What is the value of 1 over 8? Class, what is the value of 1 over 8?
0.125.
0.125, which is less than 0.5. So bermakna from 0 until 2, dia tak sampai pun 0.125. So then, the median lies in between 2 until 9, somewhere around here. Okay, so we need to find the value of m, and then the accumulate of fm 0.5 from 2 until m here lies in between 2 until 9, so we use 1 over 8 m minus 1 equal to 1 over 2, then m equal to 5. Okay, class, for median, listen to my statement here. Let's say if I have a domain from 0 until 4, for example. Okay, ini case lain. Let's say from 0 until 4. Okay, median is not about the middle between these two domain. Dia bukan tentang nilai tengah antara domain. Okay, class. Because we call in continuous random variable, we integrate the function from negative to positive infinity fx dx. So when we talk about integration of the function, then we are talking about from 0 until 4, it might be the graph something like this. Okay, so from 0 until 4. So median is not about the middle value between the domain 0 until 4. It's all about the area. Okay, if this area, we call the area of this is 0.5, then we need to find out what is the value of m. M can be 2, m can be 1, can be 3, can be 2.5, 2.1, 1.8, any value. As long as integral of the function from 0 until m, it gives you 0.5. So actually this one, we are talking about the area between the curve and x-axis. Okay, bukannya nilai tengah bagi domain 0 hingga 4. Okay. So fertility function. Okay, since the cumulative is the integral, it follows that the probability is a continuous. Okay, so opposite of integration, then we derivative or we differentiate the function of the cumulative distribution. Okay, derivative or differentiate the cumulative distribution, which is the differentiate fx respect to the x. Okay, so now this is the cumulative and find the probability density function. Okay, for x less than 0, class. So to find the fx, differentiate 0 respect to the x, which is equal to 0, easy. Then for x in between 0 until 1. So then this fx, what do you think? Class. What do you think about this domain or about this function? Differentiate 2x minus x squared is going to give you 2 minus 2x. Okay, and then for x greater than 1, which is equal to 1 here, differentiate equal to 0. Therefore, the fx is that. Too easy. Okay, unless you are having problem with differentiation, then you might be in trouble. Kalau kamu tak ada masalah dengan differentiation ataupun integration, solution untuk menjawab soalan nombor bab 8 cukup senang. Okay. So, probability of x greater than half. What's the domain just now? From 0 until 1. Okay, 0 until 1. 2 minus 2x. Okay. From 0 until 1. So, in the different probability of x greater than or equal to half. So, means that from 1 over 2 to infinity. So, across this domain of half until 1 and 1 to positive infinity, for this one it is 0 and this one is in between here it is 2 minus 2x. Okay, substitute the value of x equal to 1.5, then you get 1 over 4. Okay, so saya lajukan sikit kot sebab saya nak habiskan part 5 terus. Okay, so class, setiap page ni you all boleh salin balik ataupun you all nak snap picture dengan phone, tak ada masalah, salin balik kemudian. Because when we reach the exercise, I'm not going to discuss about this. You may try the questions and bring up during the tutorials if you can't solve this one. So we strictly go to the next page. Okay, the next lecture 5 of 5. Okay, so we are now in last final part of our lecture for topic 8, lecture 5 of 5, continuous random variable. So to compute the expectation and variance of continuous random variable, so class, last time in discrete, when we talk about expected of x, then we're talking about the cumulative of x multiplied with its probability. You still remember that? Hello? Masih ingat ya? Kelas masih ingat ke?
Ingat.
Yeah, okay. And then for discrete, when you talk about ex squared, means that it is we call hasil tambah, we call summation of x squared multiplied with probability of x. Okay, so the principle of continuous random variable to find the mean and variance are almost the same like the discrete. Only thing here now is we are dealing with integral of x multiplied with fx dx. And ex squared equal to integral of x squared multiplied with fx dx. So now, and variance, yet still the same, ex squared minus ex in bracket square, and standard deviation square root of variance. Okay, ex variance e3 minus 7x and variance 5x. Okay, I'm going to do it here. Okay, ex equal to, okay, look at this one, the first one here. Okay, from -1 until 0, 0 until 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so then ex equal to integral of x multiplied with the first one here, 1/5 and dx, from -1 until 0 plus with from 0 until 1 x multiplied with 1/5 plus 6/5 x dx. Okay, to find the expected of x. Okay, Amin, apa dia, Min? Nah, dia ada kelas ni. Ni, main, Min, Tina. Okay, so now integral of x times 1/5, it gives you 1/5 x squared divided by 2 from -1 until 0 plus with, okay, 1/5 times x is 1/5 x squared divided by 2 plus with 6/5 the integral of x squared over 2 from 0 until 1. So 5 times 2 equal to 10. 5 times 2 equal to 10, and 5 times 2 equal to 10. So substitute x with 0. 0 squared equal to 0 over 10 equal to 0. Minus -1 squared equal to 1. 1 times 10 equal to 1/10. Plus with, okay, substitute x with 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times over 10. 1/10 plus with 1 square is 1 times 6, 6/10 minus when x equal to 0 and x equal to 0, everything goes to 0 here. So then it is -1/10 plus with, okay, 1 plus 6 equal to 7/10, and this one because it's 0, nothing changed, then it's now 6/10. Okay, ada saya silap tanda mana-mana ke? Okay, please double check. Please double check mana saya silap. Okay, never mind. Yang ni kamu boleh check sendiri ya. 1 square is 1/5. So 1 whole square 6/10. Wait. x multiplied with 1 over 5, 1 over 5x. 1 over 5x plus 6 over 5x squared. Okay, dx. So here should be 3 and 3 here. So it is 15. Okay. Buat perubahan sikit. Make a recall. Make a correction of this. Okay, so you may just recall, refer to this one here. 2 over 5. Saya silap kat sini ya. Because saya buat ni juga x sebagai x kuasa 2 or x square over 2, x square over 2. It should be x cube over 3. Okay, then next, ex squared. Integral of x squared multiplied with function of fx dx and x squared fx dx. So from here, okay, saya akan buat ikut sini ya. 1 over 5 times x. Integral, it give you 1 over 5 x cubed divided by 3 from -1 until 0 plus with, okay, 1 over 5 times x squared, 1 over 5 x squared. So you get 1 over 5 x cubed over 3 plus with x squared multiplied with x cubed. So 6 over 5 times x cubed, integrate this, it gives you 6 over 5 x to the power of 4 divided by 4 from 0 until 1. So it is x cubed over 15 from -1 until 0 plus with x cubed over 15 plus x 6x4 divided by 5 times 4 equal to 20 from 0 until 1. Okay. So then substitute x with 0, 0 cubed divided by 15 minus -1. X equal to -1. -1 cube is -1 over 15. Plus with, okay, x equal to 1. 1 cube is 1. 1 over 15 plus 1 power 4 is 1. 6 over 20. Minus x equal to 0. 0 and 0. Everything goes to 0 here. So then this is 0 and this is 0. Negative times negative, positive 1 over 15 plus with, okay, 15, 30, 45, 15 times 4, 1 times 4, 20 times 3, 6 times 3. Class, 15 times 4 equal to? 15 times 4 equal to?
60.
60. 20 times 3 equal to?
60.
60. So then 4 plus 6 times 3 equal to 18. So now class, I'd like to change this in the term of 60. 15 times 4 equal to 60. Then 1 times 4 equal to 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 18 divided by 60 equal to
13 over 30.
13 or 26. 26 over 60 equal to 13 over 30. That's it. Okay. There you go. 13 over 30. Okay. So now, just now, For question number 1, we have already found the EX. And then, now we already found the EX squared. Here, 13 over 30. What is EX? EX 2 over 5. EX squared 13 over 30. So, variance EX squared 13 over 30 minus EX in bracket square 2 over 5 square. This one is 13 over 30 minus 4 over 5 square is 25. Okay, so we equalize the denominator 50, 100, 150. So make it under equal, samakan dengan 150, 25, 50, 75, 100, 550. So times 6, this 4 times 6, 30 times 5, and 30 times 5 equal to 150, 15, 3, 5, 15, 6, 65 minus 24 equal to 41 over 150 here. Okay, and then E3 minus 7x, as this one here, sama konsep macam discrete. Okay, expected of x sama macam discrete, and also this one here sama macam discrete. Variance of negative 5x, so this negative 5 we square this, multiply with variance of x. Okay, so we got this one here. Okay, so saya teruskan ya. Sikit lagi, pukul 10 dah pun. Okay, continuous random variable has the following probability density function of this fx, find k, calculate ex and variance, find variance ey. Okay, k2 minus x. K2 minus x square 0 until 2. Okay, so now the first question apa? Find k and calculate ex and variance. So class, take out the k, is a constant, take it outside. So k integral of 2 minus x square respect to the x equal to 1. For this one, you may use integral of 2 minus x square dx equal to 2 minus x square integral 2 plus 1 equal to 3 divided by 3 and differentiate 2 minus x negative 1. Okay, from 0 until 2. Or the other way around, you expand this first. 4 minus 4x plus x squared dx equal to 1. Okay, so you get 4x minus 4x squared plus x cubed dx, which is equal to 1. Then k integral of 4x squared over 2 minus 4x cubed divided by 3 plus x4 divided by 4 from 0 until 2 equal to 1. Okay, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 2x squared, 4x cubed over 3 and x4 divided by 4. Substitute x with 2 first. 2x squared. So x equal to 2. 2 squared equal to 4. 4 times 2 equal to 8 minus 2 cubed equal to 8. 8 times 4. 32 over 3 plus x power of 4. X equal to 2. 2 squared 4, 8 and 16. 16 over 4 equal to 4. So 4 here. Minus x equal to 0 now. 0, 0 and 0. equal to 1. Okay, so then Amin, Ina, ya, kau ni jangan tu. Okay, so 3, 8 times 3 equal to 24 minus 32, 4 times 3 equal to 12. So class 24 minus 32 plus 12 equal to hello, anyone? 24 minus 32 plus 12.
4.
4. 24 minus 3, 32, negative 8. Negative 8 plus 12, yes, 4. 4 over 3 equal to 1. So then k equal to 3 over 4. So the function now is 3 over 2. 3 over 4. 3 over 4 x minus or 2 minus x. And then 0. The domain then. Okay. 3 over 8. Saya silap mana pula ni? Ada silap ke? Saya kira cuba tengok.
Ada banyak ubat.
Saya ada silap ke? 3/8. Kelas, cuba tengok ni saya silap mana? 4 negative 4x plus x square. Class, can you please respond to me? Mana saya buat silap sini? Saya tak perasan. 2 minus x and 2 minus x. 4, negative 2x, negative 4x plus x squared. So 4x kelas. Hello? Saya dah tersilap dekat sini. Saya dah tersilap. Sorry. Ya Allah, siapa tak perasan? Siapa yang tak silent tu? For x minus 4x square over 2 plus x cube over 3 from 0 until 2. Okay, saya silap sini. Sorry. Tolong silent kan. Shut off microphone please. Siapa yang tak shut off microphone tu? Okay, so saya silap. 4x, x square, 4x, okay. 4 times 2 equal to 8 minus 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2. 2 square equal to 4 times 2 equal to 8 plus 2 cube equal to 8 over 3. And then minus the rest is 0 here. Okay, 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So k 8 over 3 equal to 1. then k equal to 3 over 8. So this is 3 over 8, sorry. Okay. So now ex integral of 3 over 8 2 minus x squared, then we add up with x here. X multiplied with fx dx. Okay, integral of this, it's gonna give you that one. Okay, expand it and integrate 1 by 1. So equal to half. Okay, x multiplied with 2 minus x in bracket square. So expand this first, you get 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Multiply with x, 4x minus 4x squared plus x cubed. Then integrate this 1 by 1, you get 4x squared over 2, 4x cubed over 3, and x4 over 4. Okay, so substitute x with 2 and 0 here. 2, 32 over 3 and 4, and then minus with 0. So then finally you get 1 over 2. And ex squared x squared multiplied with 3 over 8 times 2 minus x in bracket square. Okay, so for this one here now, 3 over 8 x squared, expand this 4 minus 4x plus x squared dx. Okay, 4x squared minus 4x cubed plus x to the power 4 dx. So then it gives you 3 over 8. So first 4x cubed divided by 3 minus 4x4 divided by 4 plus x of 5 divided by 5 from 0 until 2. Okay, 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. So 4x cubed divided by 3 minus x power 4 plus x5 divided by 5, 0 until 2, 3 over 8. Substitute x with 2 here. 2 cubed equal to 8. 8 times 4 is 32 over 3 minus 16 plus 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 5 minus, okay, x equal to 0, 0, and 0, 0. 3 over 8. Okay, 3 with 5, make it 15. 3 times 5, so 32 times 5. 2 kali 5, 10, 1, 3, 15, 16. 16 times 15, please. 16 times, pardon?
240.
Okay, good. 240, 5 times 3. So 32 times 3, 96. Am I right? Okay. So 160 minus 240 plus 96 equal to 16 over 15. 8 with 16, 2, 3 with 15, 5. So it is 2 over 5. So now variance equal to ex squared. Okay, so for ex squared, we just found it just now, 2 over 5 minus ex in bracket square. So what is value of x, value of x just now? Question number 1.
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Okay, good. squared. So then 2 over 5 minus 1 over 4 make it 20. So 5 times 4, 2 times 4, and 1 times 5, which is 8 minus 5 equal 3 over 20. So class, standard deviation equal to square root of 3 over 20. Okay, so expected of ax plus b, okay, expected of ax plus b equal to a, then ex plus e expected of b equal to b. Okay, so then 3 expected of x minus 5, expected of x is 1 over 2, then you get negative 24 over 5. Okay, so then variance equal to 27 over 20. Okay, so example 3, x a continuous random variable. If given that okay, class, do you have any idea on how to solve this? So what is this? Class, what is this? Integral of x squared fx dx. This is E. Hello? Boleh agak tak? Integral of x squared fx dx. Ex or ex squared?
EX square.
Good. Ex squared equal to 29. And variance of 3x? Variance of 3x, which is 3 square variance of x, which is 36. 3 square equal to 9. Variance of x equal to 36. Then variance of x equal to 36 divided by 9 equal to 4. So variance of x equal to 4. Variance of x equal to ex squared minus ex in bracket square. So variance of x equal to 4. Ex squared equal to 29 minus ex squared. So then bring this to the left side. 4 minus 29. 4 minus 29.
Negative 25.
Negative 25. Okay, negative times negative, positive. So ex squared equal to 25. So ex equal to ex in bracket square and then ex. So square root kan? So class, what is the square root of 25?
5.
There you go. Okay, expected of x is plus minus 5. Okay, example dah habis
Dah.
Kelas, example dah habis ke?
Dah, sir.
Dah. Okay, so officially our lecture for topic 8 ends here. Tamat di sini. Oh, dah habis dah pun. Ini ada lagi slide ke bawah. Okay. So class, by tomorrow we're gonna look into topic 9. So please get ready and your tutorial. Kalau ada tutorial yang pensyarah yang dah masuk awal topik 8 dah masuk nak topik 9, teruskan, tak ada masalah. Okay, so by tomorrow we're going to continue with topic 9. So please get ready. Okay, ada pun yang dah keluar, dah laju nak keluar. Okay, left sekejap je. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. So tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.